Somashekara Reddy, brother of jailed mining baron Janardhan Reddy, has said that the State Energy Minister D.K. Shivakumar should not have visited his residence ahead of the Ballari Assembly by-poll. He said that the visit was a social one and nobody should read into the meeting.
ಅಂಡರ್ಗೆ 100% ಕುತಂತ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಭಾವನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಗೊಂದಲ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Well, that was Somashekara Reddy, in fact, going on to state that it is all a conspiracy and that D.K. Shivakumar should not have visited his home ahead of the by-polls to be held in Ballari by the end of this month. Let's not forget that the incident of the Energy Minister visiting Somashekara Reddy had created quite a furore, with many BJP leaders coming out and lambasting D.K. Shivakumar, accusing him of trying to poach their leaders as after staring at defeat in the Lok Sabha elections that went by. And now D.K. Shivakumar's meeting has continued to trouble Somashekara Reddy, who went on to state that it was inappropriate and that it all seems like a conspiracy, but people should not read into it as it was just a social meeting. And while hectic campaigning is underway in Shikaripura constituency of Shimoga, the campaigning has been undertaken by former Excise Minister Renuka Acharya. The minister was seen campaigning for BJP candidate B.Y. Raghavendra. Meanwhile, Siddaramaiah, while speaking in Ballari, went on to state that the Congress and the JDS will be putting up a united front before the Saffron Party in Shikaripura.
ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿಕಾರಿಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ JDSನವರು ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಬೆಂಬಲನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೀಮಿತ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ.
Well, in fact, Siddaramaiah went on to state that the JDS will be supporting the Congress in Shikaripura constituency only for the assembly by-polls that will be held by the end of this month. This is for them to put up a united front before the BJP that has managed to perform stupendously well in the state as well as across the country in the Lok Sabha elections that just went by. And meanwhile, the campaigns across the state in the 3 assembly constituencies is only stepping up. Today, the Sadalga constituency's Congress candidate Ganesh Hukkeri was seen busy campaigning door-to-door in his constituency. During the campaigning, Ganesh Hukkeri stated that he has been benefited by the campaigning done by the Chief Minister in his constituency. Ganesh Hukkeri was seen going from door-to-door. The youngster visited several houses and sought their blessings for the assembly elections, assembly by-polls rather. Ganesh Hukkeri, whose father too was a loyalist of the Congress, managed to get the ticket in the assembly by-polls. He's the son of an MP and a local resident of Chikkodi. The Congress is putting its money on Ganesh Hukkeri, hoping that this will be no repetition of what the Congress witnessed in the Lok Sabha elections that went by. He is the son of MP Prakash Hukkeri, one of the few Congress candidates who managed to emerge victorious in the Lok Sabha elections that went by. Well, the celebrations are all in full gusto as in Mumbai the Dahi Handi process is underway. Several groups of young lads are trying to create that human pyramid to break the Dahi Handi. Well, this is a tradition that has been going on for several generations now, and despite controversies, legalities, the Dahi Handi festival continues unabated. It is celebrated every August. In fact, on the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami, it involves youngsters making a human pyramid and breaking an earthen pot filled with buttermilk tied at a convenient height.
सतरंगी तेरा बड़ा चर्चा तेरा किस्सा अतरंगी चाहे दम निकले ये दम है कसम तेरी कसम तुझे आज छोड़ेंगे ना
Well, in fact, as per legend, Lord Krishna and his friends used to form human pyramids to break pots hung from the ceilings of neighborhood houses in order to steal curd and butter. This was in Vrindavan, a village in Uttar Pradesh in India where Krishna was brought up. It is said that he used to distribute it among his friends because during King Kansa's rule, their parents were forced to give everything produced to Kansa's home in Mathura. The children of Vrindavan village were thus deprived of milk products. So the significance is that they remember Lord Krishna and his adorable antics by forming this human pyramid, breaking the Dahi Handi, and mind you, this event has a lot of prize money attached to it as well. This event is particularly popular in Maharashtra and it is organized on Gokulashtami. The event involves making a human pyramid and breaking an earthen pot filled with milk, curd, butter, fruits and water, which is hung at a convenient height. And this is imitating the actions of child little Krishna. Sometimes instead of butter inside the pot, the prize money is inside the pot. The terms Govinda or Govinda Pathak are used to refer to the people who participate in forming this human pyramid.
चला महिला गोविंदा पथक 5 थर लावले त्या महिला गोविंदा पथकाने या गोविंदा पथकाला विशेष लागले का तुम्ही या पाणी पाणी नमन करुणी वंदन इदा मांडून इदा देवाला इदा गावाला इदा पाटलाला इदा मंडळीला आम्ही सांगतो नमन तुम्ही ऐका हो तुम्ही जन विश्वेश्वर मित्रमंडळ विश्वेश्वर नमन आम्ही असा
ज्यांचे थर लागले त्यांनी
प्रयत्न हा
कृपया
सफल झालेला आहे.
बाहेर यायचंय.
गोविंदा पथक
शिवसेना पुरस्कृत मंडळ
जागरूक घेतला बाहेर
आपण थर लाव. स्वतःला सांभाळा, थर लावा. 5 मिनिटं थांबा आणि परत थर लावा. चला तुम्ही लावा इथे, तुम्ही लावा इथे. संघर्ष कळवेकर थर लावा.
डीजे 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 जोगेश्वरी पुरवून आलेल्या साहित्य गोविंद पथक यांनी यशस्वीचे 7 मानवी मनोरथ घेतलेले आहेत. त्यांचा हार्दिक हार्दिक अभिनंदन. जोगेश्वरी पुरवा डीजे 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 डीजे
आणि सगळ्यांना ती सूचना आहे की डेअरिंग करू नका. जेवढे आपले सराव असतील तेवढ्याच आपण थर लावा. सराच्या वरती कृपया सेफ्टी बेल्ट घ्या.
इकडे लक्ष द्या. मोरिया मोरिया गोविंदा पथक
जागृत महिला गोविंदा पथक शिवसेना पुरस्कृत आपले थर लावतायत. दुसरा आणि ठीक आहे, चांगली सलामी महिलांची.
हॅलो हॅलो
गणपती बाप्पा विजय.
मोरिया गोविंदा पथक
डीजे डीजे
असावेत. इतर गोविंदा आपल्या वेटिंग मध्ये आहेत. कृपया
पाणी मारा पाणी. संकल्पचा हा गोविंदा उत्सव ठाणेकरांची हांडी, सन्मानाची हांडी,
6 मानवी मनोरथ
संकल्पची दही हांडी. आयोजक रवींद्र फाटक यांच्यातर्फे सर्व गोविंदा पथकांचे सहर्ष स्वागत.
गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला. गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला. अरे 1 2 और 3 4 संग 5 6 7 है ग्वाला. अरे 1 2 और 3 4 संग 5 6 7 है ग्वाला. गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला. ओ आई माखन के छोरों की सेना, ओ आई माखन के छोरों की सेना. ओ जरा बच के संभल के जी रहना, ओ जरा बच के संभल के जी रहना. बड़ी नटखट है फौज कहीं आई जो मौज, बड़ी नटखट है फौज कहीं आई जो मौज. नहीं बचने का कोई भी ताला ताला. गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला. गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला. कैसी निकली है झूम के ये टोली, ओ कैसे निकली है झूम के ये टोली. आज खेलेगी दूध से ये होली, आज खेलेगी दूध से ये होली. भीगे कितना भी अंग ठंडी होना उमंग, भीगे कितना भी अंग ठंडी होना उमंग. पड़े इनसे किसी का न पाला पाला. गोविंदा आला